EE-542 Teamwork Lab 9. So our objective is configure SyncSport IoT, which code-based IoT hub to post data from sensors and display the data in the map. So send the CSR data to the SyncSport IoT directly from Termux without using Node-RED. So we first posting data. Instead of using Node-RED, we are using curl-post to post the data, and use Python to read the data from SyncSport and format the data. The last one is displaying the data, using map widget to display data as a specific longitude on the map. This is a SyncSport install from Termux. This is Python for the data collection and posting. So we basically use Python to read data from Termux sensor and posting it to SyncSport. This is our Python script.
Okay, so here's the SyncSport session. We need to collect data on SyncSport after sending the data to it. So here, after we use this code to send the data to SyncSport, we can check it on SyncSport. So here is the SyncSport. We can see light, longitude, and latitude, and the timestamp is sent successfully to this device, and then we can use map in this dashboard, and we can see, and here is the map we create because the data is collected just here, so here's a marked here. Okay, so then we need to retrieve the data from SyncSport database. So here is the query code to access the data from SyncSport, and we implement using HTTP API. So here we use the key light and use the device here, and the device can be acquired from SyncSport, and it's the ID of the device, and we need to specify the beginning time and end time and translate it. Then we first need to log in and get the token, and then we use this URL and the key and start time, end time to query the data, and then we send the request and get the data and print the data, and we can run this code and we can get the light here. So here's the value with timestamp. Okay, so then we need to use Folian to display the result. So here's the code. First Folian, this code first read the CSV that created by that we get from the database and get a Folian map, and then we use this timestamp GeoJSON to create animate pop-ups on the static map, and we save to this USC light map. So after we run this code, we can get a HTML file which is exactly the animated map, and we can see it here. Oh no, this one. We can see the pop-ups generated when the timestamp goes. So here's the data we collected in the campus, and we can stop at the point and click on the pop-ups, and we can see the light light and the timestamp here. So here's the map, animate map we created, and here are some screenshot.